Hi! So today we're going to do a little bit of fashion, a little bit of crochet, combine them, and you've got the newest piece to my wardrobe. We're going to go over what pattern I used and how fantastic it looks. So join us, won't you? Hi, welcome to another Mumsy video. So back in November, it was my birthday, and my best friend sent me an Amazon gift card. And my birthday happened to fall right on Black Friday in the States, so there was tons of deals on Amazon. So I ordered some yarn. Now, what I thought was yarn, this color, what I thought was the yarn, was like some weird no-name brand that they must have rebranded after one got discontinued or something. Because this is actually Lion Brand Centaur. It's like a mandala type like cake that I used to make this vest, which I'm going to show you. This is the newest addition to my wardrobe. I actually finished this just after Christmas, but I've been a little bit busy with other things and everything on the video, so I thought I'd show you it now. And I gotta get my phone to make sure you can see the full thing. I'll go back here, look. Check out the back. Isn't it fantastic? Can you hear me? Is it just fantastic? So this took me like... Okay, so I added some yarn into it. It took me 2 big cakes. No, 3? I might have had 3. And I also added this gray into it and a little bit of the cream colored around the edge because I didn't quite have enough. I made it bigger, the pattern, which I will link to. It's from Yarnutopia. They have a wonderful YouTube channel. You should check it out because there's tons and tons of patterns and tutorials on it. Anyway, what was I going to say? Anyway, yeah, so I made this lovely vest and I got to figure out somewhere to wear it to. It's a little bit tricky sitting down, I'm finding in this, because I don't want to pull it, but it is so darn pretty. And putting it under my winter coat doesn't really work because you see all this stuff sticking out the back and it's kind of funny. So I think for spring it's going to be just fantastic because then I won't have to wear too much, or I could wear it over top of a sweater with long sleeves or something like that. Anyway, it was really easy. The instructions are super easy, and if you can't get the written ones, there's video tutorials for it, and it shows you how to make it bigger, how to make it smaller, I think, and I can't recommend it enough. So there you go. Just a short little video today because I don't have that much going on. It's winter here in Winnipeg and my fingers are so very sore. I get a little bit of joint seizing up when it gets really cold outside, and the wind chill is about -30 today, and it's been like that for about a week, so my fingers are paying the price. So I haven't been able to sew or crochet too much lately. So anyway, I want you to like this vlog. You don't dislike it because my fingers are sore. Like it so that it'll give me encouragement to do more, and subscribe, comment below. Have you made crocheted pieces of your wardrobe? I don't do that very often. I find I like to make toys. I like to make little hats and things for my kids, but I haven't really gotten into making wardrobe pieces yet, so I'm trying. I'm working on a sweater right now too that I will show you if I ever get it done. it'll be my first sweater, so I'm sort of excited about that. Anyway, bye-bye for now.